Now in this question, the equations of the curves are in the form of inequalities. Basically inequalities means which portion to be shaded. Now let A is equal to x comma y such that y square is less than is equal to 8x, intersection x comma y is such that x square plus y square is less than is equal to 9, or A is equal to A1 intersection A2. Now region A1. Region A1. Y square is equal to 8x represents a right-handed parabola with vertex at origin, that is 0, 0. The equation y square is less than 8x represents shaded portion inside the parabola, inside the parabola. Region A2. X square plus y square is equal to 3 square represents a circle with center lying at the origin and radius is equal to 3. The equation x square plus y square is less than is equal to 9 represents shaded portion inside the circle. Okay. Now required area is equal to common area in between parabola and circle. And here is a figure. Now for the parabola, shaded portion will be inside the parabola. For the circle, shaded portion will be inside the circle. Common area is what? That which we have shaded in red and green. Okay. So now let's solve it. Now let y square is equal to 8x be equation 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 9 be equation 2. Now solving, solving 1 and 2, we get x square plus 8x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now let's make the factors. X square plus 9x minus x minus 9 is equal to 0. X plus 9, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we are having now x is equal to 1 and x is equal to negative of 9. Negative of 9. Now x is equal to 1, y is equal to, now we are having y square is equal to 8x, y is equal to plus minus 2 root 2 and x is equal to minus prime, no real roots. Now point of intersection, A 1 comma 2 root 2 and B 1 comma minus 2 root 2. Now for plotting points for parabola. XY parabola is y square is equal to 8x. Now when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y is plus minus 2 root 2 and when x is equal to 2, y is plus minus 4. Is it clear? Now required area. Required area is equal to area of region, common area between parabola and a circle. Okay. So required area is equal to area of region O, B, C, A and O. Or this can be written as twice of area of ODA plus area of DCA. You can check it now. Just check it. Required area twice of ODA and DCA Now required area is equal to twice of, now integration from 0 to 1 y of equation 1 dx, and equation 1 which we have taken, it was equation of a parabola. So from 0 to 1 up to here, this is equation for the parabola, plus 1 to 3 y of equation 2 dx, that is equation of a circle. 1 up from here to here, this part from 1 to 3, sorry, equation of a circle. Now let us put it, twice of 0 to 1. Now y is equal to 2 root 2 root x dx plus 1 to 3. Now this is 3 square minus x square dx. Okay. Now as we are doing, let this be I1 and this be I2. Is it clear? So let's go for I1 first. I1 is equal to 2 root 2 0 to 1 x raised to power half dx. Now this implies I1 is equal to 2 root 2 into 2 by 3 x raised to power 3 by 2 with 0 and 1. Okay, and this is equal to I1 is equal to 4 root 2 upon 3 with 1 minus 0, and this is equal to 4 root 2 upon 3. I2 is equal to x upon 2 3 square minus x square plus 3 square upon 2 sine inverse x upon 3 with 1 and 3. Is it clear? So now this becomes 3 by 2 into 0 plus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 minus 1 by 2 3 square minus 1 square plus 9 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 3. Now this becomes 9 by 4 into pi by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now 3 square is 9 minus 1, 8. 2 root 2 plus 9 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 3. 9 by 8 minus root 2, here it is 9 by 2, so it is 9 by 2. Yes, 9 by 2. 9 by 2, then this becomes 9 by 4. Now 9 by 4 minus root 2 minus 9 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 3. Required area is equal to twice of I1 plus I2. Now this is equal to twice of I1. It was 4 root 2 by 3 plus 9 by 4 minus root 2 minus 9 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 3. Nine pi by 4. Nine pi by 4. Okay. So now finally what we are having? 8 root 2 by 3 plus 9 pi by 2 minus 2 root 2 minus 9 sine inverse 1 by 3. Or if we wish, we can merge all these things together and we can get this as, now let's merge this one and this portion. Okay, so this becomes 2 root 2 by 3 plus 9 pi by 2 minus 9 sine inverse 1 by 3 units. This is the answer.